How to join a group in Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can join a group in Roblox. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your Roblox. You can open up the Roblox app, or you can simply head over to roblox.com and log in into your account. After you do that, here on the top left, you will see three lines. Tap on that. There you should find groups option or communities, which has been renamed. So tap on either one. And after you do that, you should see groups. Now, if you only see a single group, you can tap on see all option right here to search for different other groups as well. So find the group that you might want to join. So let's say that I want to join this one. So after you find the group that you want to join, tap on join group or join community, and you'll have joined the community. And it's basically that simple, and that's it for today's video as well. That's how you join a group in Roblox. If you found the video helpful and useful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.